Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Day 3 of the NBA Playoffs Conference Semifinals, May 7, 2026. Jalen Brunson helps the Knicks take a 2-0 lead over the Philadelphia 76ers with a 108-102 victory. Jalen Brunson scored 26 points and helped the New York Knicks seize control in a close game after a run of blowouts, leading the Knicks to a 108-102 victory over the Philadelphia 76ers for a 2-0 lead in the Eastern Conference semifinals. OG Anunoby added 24 points and Karl Anthony Towns had 20 points, 10 rebounds, and 7 assists for the Knicks, whose Game 1 victory made them the first team to win 3 straight postseason games by at least 25 points. Tyrese Maxey scored 26 points for the Philadelphia 76ers, who faced another big climb after falling behind 3-1 against Boston in the first round. The 76ers got 19 points each from Paul George and Kelly Oubre Jr. Playing without the injured Joel Embiid, the 76ers put up a far better fight than in the Knicks' 137-8 ramp in Game 1. The game featured 25 lead changes, 14 ties, and neither team led by more than 7 points. Wembanyama and the San Antonio Spurs rebound to hand the Timberwolves' largest postseason defeat 133-95 to even series. Victor Wembanyama had 19 points and 15 rebounds, and the San Antonio Spurs handed Minnesota the worst postseason loss in franchise history, beating the Timberwolves to even the Western Conference semifinal series at one game apiece. Stephon Cassell had 21 points and De'Aaron Fox added 16 points for San Antonio, which shot 50% from the field and 41% on three-pointers. It was the highest scoring playoff game for the Spurs since a series clinching 145-105 win over the Denver Nuggets on May 4, 1983. Anthony Edwards, Julius Randle and Jaden McDaniels each scored 12 points for the Minnesota. Edwards came off the bench again as Minnesota continued to restrict his minutes in his second game back from a hyperextended left knee. With Wembanyama playing more aggressively on offense from the outset, the Spurs put the series opening loss behind them quickly. Let's proceed to the NBA Playoffs Conference semifinal games scheduled on May 8, 2026. Cade Cunningham and the Detroit Pistons will try to continue their momentum and put Donovan Mitchell and the Cleveland Cavaliers in a 0-2 hold before traveling to Cleveland as they face each other in Little Caesars Arena at 7 a.m. Philippine time or 7 p.m. Eastern time. LeBron James and the Los Angeles Lakers will try to even their series against Shai Gilgeous-Alexander and the Oklahoma City Thunder to avoid a 0-2 hole as they met in Paycom Center at 9:30 a.m. Philippine time or 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. Let us have the NBA Conference Semifinal Series standings as of May 7, 2026. Let's start with the Eastern Conference. The New York Knicks leads their series against Philadelphia 76ers 2-0. Detroit Pistons leads Cleveland Cavaliers series 1-0. And now for the Western Conference. The series between San Antonio Spurs and the Minnesota Timberwolves is tied at 1-1. And Oklahoma City Thunder lead their series against Los Angeles Lakers 1-0.